I think these are my Beats Solo Pros. So let's unbox, and this is somewhat nerve-wracking. Can't show you the other side. Here they are. God, they really hurt. Oh, this is a lot. Ooh. Dang. Alright. I'm gonna... I think they're dead. Let's try these real quick. After testing these, everything works well. I got them off eBay for $130. You're probably wondering, wait, don't you already have Beats Studio Buds? Yeah, I did, but I had to return them to Amazon because for some reason, when I recorded when I used them, I had an issue where the audio kept cutting out on one side, the audio kept cutting out on one side of the bud or the other, or completely it's like it bleeped or something. It was very strange. So I took them to Apple, and what they said is that that they'll fix it and replace the buds, and they replaced the buds, and I tried them and they still had the same issue. So yeah, probably wondering, why didn't you get Beats Studio Pro? Excuse me. Well, first of all, Beats Studio Pros are still quite expensive, and you know, like, one is to get something I could afford and fast, and I desperately needed headphones because I returned the Studio Buds to Amazon even after they fixed it. So yeah, I got these Solo Pros. I think they're kind of cool, I guess. And these have the H1 chip inside them, so I get hands-free Hey Siri, stuff like that. But yeah, Beats Solo Pros. Now there is one thing the tech reviewers were complaining about, that it's charged via Lightning. It's kind of convenient for me because I'm still using a Lightning iPhone, and I like carrying extra cables, but it was released under Apple anyway, so you know, and it didn't have a 3.5mm audio jack input too. I love the sliding mechanism. It's much more convenient. These are like rigid and strong, so they don't break as easily, and they're in perfect condition. You saw the eBay listing. It said that it was an unused. It was just an open box item. It only came with the charging cable, not the brick. Just I had to get the own brick, but it came with the charging cable and the headphones, and no carrying case, no nothing. She saw in the unboxing earlier, but yeah, that's it. I got Beats Solo Pros. Thanks for watching. I'll see ya. I am out.